So starting off with Aapl here, you can see that it's having issues with the 196 level, so just shy of 200 bucks. You can see it's rejected this area a few times now as of today. The markets are now closed, but today it also rejected at 196 bucks. So this tells me that, I mean, it's obviously very bullish, even though it's extremely overpriced. But, you know, looking at the other moving averages, yeah, it's still very, very bullish. But clearly it is having an issue going higher than 196, so I would wait for it to at least break or fill this zone, maybe hit 197, 198, and have a more full candle, because the whole level of 196 bucks is it's holding it too well for me to would want to buy it. So I would look at maybe finding an area below here, kind of like here. Can include all these 4-hour candles. So this is your support zone. So if price comes down into this area, you're looking for a buy as long as it rejects this area and stays above these moving averages. It's the 4-hour moving average, so it's still way above it, so that's totally fine. But it needs a little bit more momentum in order to push through this 196 level. It doesn't want to break it. So if you look at it on the weekly, last week was a very weak candle, but this week was much better, so it's interesting. I don't see it really breaking lower yet. I think even though it's extremely overpriced, if you want to look at some financials, I mean, $3 trillion company, that's absolutely insane, but it's the PE ratio. So at 32, even for the tech stocks, it's still overpriced. But it doesn't mean people won't keep buying it. So I know that it might obviously continue up still, but I would wait before purchasing more Apple stock. I would wait, either let it come into this zone more and close more, like at least close above this 196 level, or come into this area at 193 and below and see if it rejects this area. Either way, that would be a good buying opportunity, but until then, I would not touch it. So that's Aapl.